Hello guys, I welcome you all to my this new YouTube channel of Trading with AK. So here I will be sharing my day-to-day trades and the profit or loss thereon and the logics behind it, and also we will try to learn the setup which I have used for making the profit of the day. So let's get started today and let's see what I have done today, and let's analyze all my trades and set up thereon. So yeah, let's go. So here you can see my PNL of today. I am using currently Upstocks. So Upstocks is a trading platform which is a very good. I use it for more than 2 years now, so I am quite comfortable with it. So as you can see, the first profit is of rupees 375. Second is a SL hit of my stop loss was hit of rupees 201.25 rupees, and the third one is a trade of again a put, which brings me profit of 477. And the highest profitable trade was this one of 1125. And before we start, uh, before going further, I would like to tell you that I trade only in one lot as of now, because I am quite uh, like I don't want to indulge my whole capital as of now. So I am currently uh, trading with only one lot, and that too the capital is around 7 to 8,000 only. So yes, so let's get started. So first trade of this, I have taken this one. I would like to show you that in the morning the bank nifty was opened as a gap up, and in gap up, yeah, it was open gap up. uh, yes, we are very away. Yes, here we are. So it was open as a gap up opening, and thereafter after 15 minutes it started falling. However, in morning I was not active in the market because of some personal reasons. So after 12:30 I have opened the this trading terminal, and then I have taken the trade. So when I have opened, so as you can see, I would just set the chart for you. So I sat on the trading terminal around 7, I'm sorry, 12:30. Yes, 12:30, and I was analyzing the market. Then in 5 minute point in 5 minute chart, I observed that it is a range like this and this. So this was the range in which the bank nifty was trading. So like this was the range in which bank nifty was trading. I just put this trend line, as a trend line on 5 minute chart, and I generally trade on 1 minute chart, so I will directly jump onto it so that I can show you the better one. So as you can see here, around 12:30, yeah, 12:30 to 1 p.m. I draw this trend line, because the market fell from this level 43,116 and it fell up to 43,000. So yeah, the on 5-minute chart as well, as you can see, and on 15 minutes also, the support of this 42,958 was a very huge support for Bank Nifty since many days, was a support of today's low. So I marked this one as this, and yeah, and when the market came up like on this, I would rather draw this line on different, like you see, yeah, this this is quite good because it was hovering in this range since almost an hour. So I thought that it would be a great scalping technique, like if I would short here, but I observed during market hours that this trend line was broken by this green candle. So I thought to let's wait for a, a closing of one more candle above this trend line. So but unfortunately the candle was made as red, so I have not initiated the trade on that day, my on that time. So after it afterwards it created a green candle, like so I was quite on a bullish side to take a trade on this, so that because generally what was happening in the market since 2 to 3 days, like the market was taking a dip, and after in the middle hours of the market was tend to move up. So I was expecting a bullish trend from this side, but unfortunately it hovered 2 to 3 minutes here, and then it break down with a volume candle. So I just waited for one more candle for a confirmation, and I entered at this level. And when I entered, I placed my stop loss of 20 points, and almost tried to capture 40 points, and I successfully made 45 points, and my trailing SL hit on this green candle of that this trade 1125 profits. So this was first trade. Now if I tell about second trade, which was this 477, so that I took when the market broke down this levels as well. Now this is a very huge fall. I could not capture the whole, but as you can see, the market was, after falling from this level, it was taking support of this level 42,956 or 958, which was an important line, uh, like on 5 minutes chart as well. If you observe the chart, the this level was very even sustained in previous days. So I thought this would work as a support, and firstly it took a support of this, and then it tried to maintain itself in this range for quite some time of 15-20 minutes, and then suddenly after 1:30 or near 2 p.m. it break down this level with a very huge volume. Like you can see, the one candle is of around 70 points, first candle. So this bigger candle, when I see, I thought to take a one more trade of foot, and with a strict SL obviously. So I entered my position somewhere at the middle of this second candle, and And when I entered, so I kept SL of only 10 points because I don't want to lose the profit of the day. And my target was 1 ratio 2. Like we have to maintain the risk and reward ratio. So I was maintaining a risk and reward ratio of almost 1 raised to 2. That means if you lose 1 rupees, you have to take profit of at least 2 rupees. So yes, my stop loss was of 10 points and my target was of 20 points, which was hit here. So I exited my position from there, but afterwards I felt a regret to not to hold the trade because this fall was continued, and the bank nifty made a low of almost 42,368. And then the market, like, put call ratio was very low, like it was around 0.65 at this point of time. So a sudden dead cat bounce came and market sustained itself on this levels. And then suddenly it went up. So I didn't capture this move because I was not expecting a bull movement after such a huge fall. So, and it also made a W pattern. If you see this is a very much a W pattern. So it is also a very famous kind of trade. Like this is a W pattern, and the breakout of this W pattern is almost nearly at this point, which is the formation of the W. 1 second, guys. Which is the formation of this W, which is this. So I thought not to overtrade, so I didn't took the trade of CE. But later on, as you can see, the market literally fell, and then like it sustained over these points, and this was firstly a support, but when it broke it became a resistance. So this point was acting as a resistance for bank nifty. So because it took a rejection from this end as well. So I thought at this moment at 3 o'clock around that it will make a green candle up to this point. So I initiated a CE trade on approximately this green candle. Yes, on this green candle I initiated my trade of this, which is you are seeing of loss. But I placed a very strict SL of only 9 to 10 points, and because I was I was not sure that the green candle will form or not, so I took only this much risk because I don't want to lose the profit for the day. So I took the profit only that much. I mean, I placed the stop loss only of 8 to 9 points, and when this 1 second, guys, and when this yeah, and when this point, this red candle made, my SL was hit. My SL hit. Yeah, my SL hit at this point. You can see this small red candle. Yes, this one. At this point my SL hit, so I didn't took again trade. But as and when it broke this level, like it was hovering at this range, so as and when it broke this level, I instantly took a PE trade, which on which I made 15 points profit because my SL is of 7 to 8 points. So I thought to make a 1 ratio 2. So I only uh, so I only could get 375, like 15 into 25 if you do, that comes to 365. So yes, this was my day for today, and the logics of this was clear. I hope you like the video. I know this is my first video, and the voice and the language you might not like, and please support so that I can uh, genuinely improve my content over the period of time. And please do share and subscribe my channel for further upcoming videos, and I'm planning to share such videos on a daily basis, so that I also can get an idea of my viewers that what you guys want. And further I would like to inform you that I am new in the YouTube, and I would require your support and uh, love. So please kindly support, and and so let's end this video over here only. If you have any doubts or suggestions or any sort of comment you want to make, or and please also provide your feedback regarding the video and the voice quality, and also in the comment section below. And okay guys, thank you. Let's meet tomorrow with the same video at around at this time only. So yeah, let's bye.